Hey everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing absolutely well. My name is Namo and you are watching Vocabulary Practice with Namo. In today's video, I am just going to talk about my mind goes blank while I have to speak in English. I don't have words. What can I do? When someone is telling me that you have to speak in English, my mind goes blank. I am totally blank that time when I have a chance to speak in English. So what can I do? So in this video I am going to tell you how to fix this problem. So without wasting so much time, let's dive into the video. First of all, just I am going to give you few tips that really help you to overcome this problem when your mind goes blank while you have to speak in English. First of all, just try to understand so you can relate yourself that why this is happened to me. The first thing tips I am going to tell you that is called mirror technique. Mirror technique is the most important tool. If you follow these tips, you will definitely overcome this problem. What you have to do, you just need to shut your door and speak in English. Just remember one thing, while you are speaking in English in front of the mirror, you have to be consistent. And one more thing, while you are speaking in English in initial stage, maybe you can go back to your mother tongue, but don't do this. You don't need to speak in your mother tongue. You have to speak in English only. Because if you are go back to your mother tongue, you are speaking with your mother tongue, the importance of English, mirror technique is it is null and void. So it is better for you to follow mirror technique and speak only in English. You have to speak only in English. You just need to shut your door and speak English consistently. The second tips I am going to give you that you have to follow, that in when you are in your initial stage of learning English, you have so many hesitation, because when you are listen your voice, you feel that I am not good. How can I speak English? How can I able to speak English fluently? So it is better for you not listen your voice. So what you have to do, you just need to put earphones in your ear and just listen, try to listen music with volume. So you and try to speak in English. So at that time when you are using headphone in your ears and listen any music, so it is not going that you can listen your voice, so you don't have any hesitation. But what you have to do, you just need to record your voice, and when you finish speaking, just try to listen your voice and try to find what is the difference when you listen your voice and what is the difference when you put earphones and speak in English. So you can make a better difference that time. The third tips you always need to follow, and that is the most important tips that you have to follow: practice. Practice. Practice is the only way you can learn English speaking. You have to practice every single day without skipping a single day. Just remember that without practicing, you can't able to speak in English. You can't able to speak fluent English. What you have to do, you just need to speak English, practice every single day. You have to be consistent. You don't need to skip any day. You don't need to quit while speaking English. You have to be consistent. You have to practice every single day. I am not talking about you can give your half an hour, you can give your 1 hour. I am just talking about you just need to give your 10 minutes a day. Initial stage, it's 10 minutes is good for you. You just need to 10 minutes a day. When you are used to it for giving 10 minutes, try to increase your time. But you just need to remember you have to practice every single day. That is the only way. Your any hesitation, your any difficulties, your mind goes blank, you have hesitation, everything going in a air. So just remember one thing, and most important tips I am going to tell you, that When we can easily got something, we don't value that thing. We never value that thing. I am just giving you examples so you can understand. Because we are in a place where we can easily got water in every place available. But just try to understand how much water you consume every day, how much water you drink every day. Have you any idea? Because you have easily access water in you, inside you, in front of you, near you, but you not drink water as you need because it is easily available, so we don't have much importance about that. So just remember one thing, that English is really easy. If you want to learn English, you can easily learn. But just try to understand what is the importance of learning English. When you can understand what is the importance of learning English, you definitely can do it. You definitely can be fluent in English because you giving so much importance to English. You are giving so much time to learn English speaking. So always remember that, try to give importance for learning English, because this is the way that you can be fluent. This is a way that you can be confident while speaking in English, and that is really help you. If you want to stand and speak in front of anyone, you can do it, and that can also boost your confidence. So always try to understand these tips, and I am totally agree that you fix this problem, that your mind goes blank while you have to speak in English. That's all in this video. If you like my content, don't hesitate to click the like button, and if you are new, please subscribe my channel, because I am always making a video that is really important for you. Till then, bye bye. Do take care of yourself. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.